Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see how the natural gas futures have been trading in an uptrend since October 19th after testing a low at the last 4.828. Since then, we have seen this uptrend despite the announcement of going injection season, whereas the winters are expected to be warmer than normal. But here I find that the growing demand for natural gas futures is still intact, because here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been constantly maintaining this uptrend in a daily time frame, which is evident enough to continue during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the immediate target for natural gas futures could be at the 5.383 before this weekly closing. And here I find that if the natural gas futures break the levels of the 5.388 before today's closing, we'll see this uptrend to continue during the upcoming week, where the next target for natural gas bulls could be at the 5.548. So friends, here I find that this will be the immediate target for upcoming week, what the natural gas futures could test during the upcoming week, where a breakout above this could push the natural gas futures to test the next target at the 5.862, where I find that the natural gas futures could find some resistance at the 5.908 before heading more upward, because here I find that this level between the last 5.9 to the 6.011 could provide a stiff resistance to natural gas futures, but here I find that a breakout is still possible. So friends, here I find that still the natural gas futures could test this level. So friends, here I find that a breakout above the levels at 6 will see the natural gas futures could test the levels at 6.154 in case of a breakout, but here a sharp sell-off can be seen during the upcoming week, where I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to hold this level, we'll see a steep fall in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures could be dragged down up to the 5.666. So friends, now let us check this move with the help of Ichimoku cloud. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures are still trading well below the 9-day moving average, which looks evident enough for the continuation of selling pressure in natural gas futures, whereas the 9-day moving average is currently at the 5.394. So here I find that only breakout above the levels of the 5.4 will continue this uptrend, where the next resistance can be seen at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the 5.6. So friends, this is the level which could be taken care of by both the natural gas bulls and the bears, because during the upcoming week, a breakdown or a breakout above this level could finally decide the directional move for natural gas futures, because here I find that a breakout above the 26 days moving average in a daily time frame, which is currently at the 5.6, could keep this uptrend intact during the upcoming week. And on the other side, I find that a breakdown below the psychological support at the 5 could push the natural gas futures to test the levels at the 4.820. Second support will be seen at the low end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels at 4.633. Friends, here I find that during the upcoming week, volatility could be higher. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have come up above the 9-day swing average, which ensures a breakout move from here up to this weekly closing, where I find that the natural gas futures look ready to test the levels at the 5.548 before this weekly closing, where a sustained move above this level will push the natural gas futures to test the next resistance at the 5.908. So friends, here in an hourly time frame, I find that this formation looks evident enough for a breakout move, where the natural gas futures switches could test these levels before this weekly closing. Friends, here I find that only a system move above the level order 5.448 will confirm the continuity of this breakout move before this weekly closing, where the natural futures could test the levels of the 5.8. And on the lower side, I find that if the natural futures are not able to hold the low end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of the 5.022, we'll see a sharp downward move where the next support can be seen at the levels of the 4.827. So friends, be ready to see an action in natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.